Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer USDT from Kraken to Binance. So first of all, what you need to do, we need to hit the portfolio at the bottom left. Scroll a little bit down to find USDT. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, like any other crypto, just hit withdraw. Select the network, make sure it's identical to the Binance network, right? That we will generate, we will come back to it, right? So just memorize the network you're using. So if I'm using Tron, I'm gonna just hit Tron. Enter the amount in USDT, say $10, right? And hit the Tron TRC20 here at the bottom and add a withdrawal address. Okay, now inside here, don't do anything. Just go back now to your screen, excuse me, and go ahead to Binance, hit assets at the bottom right. Try to pin down USDT here. That's it. And now we want to deposit USDT, right? Because we want to receive it. So hit add USDT and select that first option. This is very important, right? Deposit crypto from other exchanges, wallets to Binance, and an address will be generated. Okay, and as I said, the network is very important. The network is very important. So TRX or Tron TRC20, and as you can see, voila, an address will be generated. Make sure it's identical to the network. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to Kraken, paste the address, add a nickname to the address, right? And just press add withdrawal address into the amount, right? And just confirm your email. They will send a code to your email, verifying that this is you who made the transfer, and voila, you're gonna receive it in a matter of minutes. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.